At PSI Urethanes, we use a variety of testing methods following ASTM standards for a plethora of different data readings. We capture data such as ultimate tensile strength, elongation, compression set, rebound resilience, durometer, and tear strength. Essentially what an ASTM is a collection of data testing standards used across the board. Typically, if a customer has a requirement for hardness or rebound or compression set, there are all specific ASTMs for each one of those data sets, and we collect that thoroughly and extensively for our spec sheets. Elongation measures the extent to which a material can be stretched without breaking, and that is expressed as a percentage. Tensile strength measures a material's resistance to a force pulling it apart. Typically, tensile strength is measured in pounds per square inch. Tensile strength and elongation are important because a customer might have a requirement that specifies a much higher elongation percentage or a tensile strength that's much higher or lower. So the hardness of polyurethane is usually specified by the customer. It is something that is measured with a durometer, whether it be A scale, F scale, D scale, essentially soft rubber to a very hard plastic. And again, those are measured with durometers. Compression set is the percentage of a specimen's rebound after being compressed to a certain percentage. Our compression tests are done in a fixture that takes a 1/2 inch specimen and compresses it down to 3/8 for 22 hours at 158 degrees Fahrenheit. After the 22 hours have passed, you take the specimen out, you wait 30 minutes on a surface that is non-heat transferable, and you take your measurement, collect the data on all of those, average them, and that is your percentage.
Compression set's going to come into play with the mounts, bumpers, wheels. You're going to want to have a high compression set on certain applications, maybe isolation pads, vibration dampening, and you want a low compression set on wheels. That also could be custom tailored with curatives and prepolymers. In-use information, you could tailor in and optimize all those properties for longer part life, performance.
Rebound, on the other hand, is sort of the opposite of compression set. It is a measurement of the deflection of a force measured in a percentage. A rebound test is measured on a fixture with a guide rod and a plunger. The plunger bounces off of the specimen, and however high it returns towards its original starting point is your measurement. So an example of a high rebound application would be a bouncy ball, of course. Scraper blades are also typically a part that requires a high rebound because it needs to be able to return to its original shape.
We're able to custom formulate to any specification. We have to derive the right information from the end user, the OEM, etc. With this information, we can optimize the longevity, the performance, and the resilience of the polyurethane product.